What's up YouTube? Welcome to 2-Minute Tool Reviews. We're talking about some of the tools in our arsenal and if they're worth buying or not. This Ryobi SDS Plus Rotary Hammer, it's the P223 model. Got it 5 years ago and quite honestly, I'm disappointed by how well it performs because I want to upgrade it to Milwaukee, but I really don't need to. I got this for $150. I think it's $189 now. We had a bunch of batteries lying around. We use it all the time. It lives in our decked system and I can't think of a week where we haven't used it. Someone put in our YouTube comments there's plenty of value and quality to be found in Ryobi, and that couldn't be more true here. You can set it to hammer only mode, hammer drill, drill only, depending on what you're drilling through. We used to install starbolts through triple width brick walls. We used to demo plaster and break apart bricks. We've even cored through a 6-inch marble Bilco door sidewall to get a dryer vent in. It took about 30 minutes, but this thing didn't quit. So it's SDS Plus to load in all the bits. Make sure that when you have your bits to shop for, they're compatible with that. Let's get it on hammer drill. That's one. That's two. That's going through a brand new CMU block. That is a modern hardened exterior grade brick. It's a 1-inch bit right there. That's no joke. Through both sides. So depending on how full the battery is, it will shut itself off. It'll keep itself from overheating, but you know, we're not full-time masons, we're not full-time structural guys, we're general contractors, and we need something that, you know, is affordable. If it walks, it's not gonna break the bank, and this Ryobi has done it for us. I couldn't recommend this tool enough. We have a link in the description for an affiliate link. If you found this useful, consider buying it from there. If you have any questions, drop us a comment, but again, this tool, for the value, for the price, even though it's green, can't recommend it enough.